there, Juliana Tomasek here from julianatomasek.com, here to show you another fun Facebook hack. Today I'm going to show you how to change the profile picture on a Facebook page. So this is the page that I made in a previous video, and this is a Facebook fun page called A Little Bit Country, and basically it's just pictures of cows and barns and country things that I like. And so what I'm going to do is, I haven't put a picture here yet, so I'm going to just click on and I'm using a PC, click on the camera here where it says update, and I'm going to upload a photo. And I have some pictures here, and I'm going to try to put this picture here. These are my two goats I used to have, Gypsy and Vegas, and see if that's going to fit in there. Okay, perfect. So I can kind of drag that around, and that looks good to me. And let's see if I want to change it. I can do that. I can do that. And oh, there, that's better. And then I'm going to just click save. This is Gypsy and Vegas. I'll just write that. And Gypsy is the white and tan, and Vegas was the black and white one. I'm just going to save that. And see, your profile picture was successfully saved. And here we go. Let's wait for it to upload or to refresh. And there we go. So that's how you update your profile picture, or your picture on your Facebook fan page. Or this is actually a community page we have here. So make sure you subscribe and check out my other Facebook hacks. I've got a bunch I'm making, and I've got a bunch I've already made. And see you around. Thanks for watching.